Hi, educators. This week, I'd like to discuss the importance of continuing to build relationships and have fun moments with your students while doing virtual learning. So there's several things that you can still be doing to get to know your students, to have fun with your students, and to build relationships online. Now, you can't see them in person and wave to them and greet them. You can greet them when they pop online to your class. You can ask everyone how they're doing. You can take 5 minutes at the beginning of class to let people talk and catch up. One of my favorite starter games is 2 truths and a lie. I like to say it and let everybody guess. Doing these fun types of activities allows you to still bond with your students and them feel like there's a purpose for them showing up that day. You can still continue to do games such as Kahoots and Quizizz, which is fun. All you have to do is shoot them the code, and now they are on there and they can use their phones while they have their computers. You can still see them doing the Kahoots and that they're participating and all that kind of great stuff through the apps and the online resource that you have there. Another great resource is Flipgrid. Flipgrid I've talked about several times. We have an article on Flipgrid, at least one, if not like 100, because I feel like Flipgrid is such a great resource for teachers and it's a great resource for students because now you have these collaborative videos where one person is making their video because that's the activity, and then everybody gets to watch those videos of each other doing the same assignment, respond, and really just enjoy each other. Maybe you have a moment to share your favorite quotes from today's readings. Share your favorite summary of something you read this week. Share your favorite poem. So we do a lot of personalized learning in Kate's and my classrooms, and so their readings are going to be a list of choices and they get lots and lots of options. Check out our student choice boards for more information on that on our teachers page. We also have a video on those as well to help you out. Flipgrid allows you to do so much communication and socialization. It allows every voice to be heard. So in a Zoom class or an online camera class where everybody is watching and participating, not everyone is going to feel heard, which is a huge issue if you ask me, because I want to hear from all of my students. I want to give them equal opportunity. I want to get to know each of them. Normally in an in-person class, I would be checking in with each one of my students, whether I have a class of 15 or 40. I need to sit down, even if it's not all in one day, it's checking in. I keep them in groups and I sit down, I check in with everybody. I pull people aside who look like they need some one-on-one conversation, whether it's personally related or not. There's just a lot of things that it feels like you can't do online, but in fact you can, which is the beauty of it. Other fun activities that you can do to bond with your students are things like karaoke. How can I do karaoke? All you need is your own little screen to hold up here. It could just be your phone, and now everyone can see you, make you nice and big, and read the prompts as you go. It's fun, it's silly, and then maybe afterwards you analyze the song that you did, okay? But the point is to give everybody a brain break and to have a relationship building tool. Big things on that, again, when you use Flipgrid, is that students can talk back and forth and have a dialogue, and it's all recorded on camera, so it's as close to being in person as possible. Another great tool is the Classcraft website, where students get to create their own characters and be in a group with other students and try to get through stories together, and they do that by completing their assignments, and they're on their own team and they need to beat the other teams, and you can set it up so that they are working together collaboratively and it's still online, because no matter what you do, there are ways to still have group work and collaboration. And it might even be easier in a setting like this where they're stuck at home, because now they have nobody to copy off of, and they have nobody to lean on to do their job for them. So if one person doesn't do the work, that one person is the only one penalized, right? Now, things like Google Docs, Google Slides, all the Google apps, you share that with just your group members as a student, and all of you guys can work on something at once. And that's fantastic. So teachers, create assignments that are just the normal group assignments. Let them choose their job and let them work together and let them share it with each other. Post a list of what groups they're in and let them go. Then you get to pop in while they're working on their slides together, because they're going to pick times and let you know what time they're going to be working on their group project together. You can pop in because, hey guys, share it with me, your teacher. And you can see who's writing what and when, who's participating, who's not. And they really don't need to be on the phone or hear each other, because they can see what the other people are doing. They can type in a quick message to each other. Hey, I'm going to be working on this while you guys do this. I work like that all the time with Kate Kropp when we collaborate on lessons, stories, whatever it is that we're working on. So your students can do it, you can do it, and you can pop in and give them feedback and messages. Highlight and then click the comment button using Google Apps. So now there's just so many different layers of things going on. You can give them suggestions, and now you're really just focusing on these different groups at different times, and it allows you to get a little bit deeper with your kids. Try to enjoy your distance learning and just make the most of it. That's all that you can do, and I know that you guys miss your kids. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below if you like this video, and now let's listen to Kate.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please check the description down below for any links or goodies that we may have included. Also, please leave us some comments, questions, inquiries, anything that you want to say to us. We would love to hear your feedback and we will respond. If you would like to see these videos continue, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is very important. We hope to see you next week. Thanks everyone for watching.